In this video, you will get step-by-step instructions on how to use the Launderful SuperSoak to strip your laundry. To begin your super soaking process, first gather your goods you are interested in deep cleaning. Next, fill your bath, a large basin, sink, or top loader with warm water. Once you have filled your tub with enough water to submerge your items, cut open the pouch and pour the contents into the water-filled tub. Next, dump all your items into the tub and submerge them either using your hands or a stick of any kind. Give it a good stir and let it sit for anywhere between 6 to 12 hours. Feel free to come by halfway through to stir, but please note it is not mandatory. Once your time is up, wring out all your items and transfer them to your washing machine and run a rinse-only cycle. Once the rinse cycle is complete, dry your items as you normally would, and then you are done. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Launderful team at info@launderful.co.